You put on your t-shirt and find that you can't see your pecs because your nipples stick out. They look like titties, and now you want to cut. I remember I had PE one day, and I was in the changing room, and obviously getting changed. I took off my t-shirt, and one of the guys came up to me and said, "Ruben, you have gyno." And I said, "What the fuck is gyno?" And everyone was looking, and I was like, "What? It's gyno." I was really embarrassed because he said, "You have titties." And I was like, "What? No, I've got pecs, mate. What do you mean?" And I went home and looked up gyno, and he was right. And ever since that, I've been checking, walking past mirrors, checking out if I have gyno or if my nipples stick out. And it's a bad mindset. It's a bad way to think. But if you were to fix it, what would you do? You train chest, obviously. What else are you going to do? Fucking get surgery? No, that's stupid. It's going to cost you like $3,000. Fucking spend it on something else, like a business. But if you train chest and actually train chest, you're probably like, "Oh, Ruben, I do train chest," but obviously not enough. If you have gyno, you obviously don't train enough. Like, I've only just really started to really train chest. So instead of doing 2 sets of chest or 3 sets of chest in a workout, for example, do 4. I used to do 3, now I do 4 because I'm focusing on my chest. Focus on increasing your bench press. If you don't do bench press, then you're a fucking idiot. Obviously, you should do bench press. Do a normal barbell bench press and focus on getting the weight up. Focus on increasing your bench press. So when someone goes up to you and says, "What do you bench, bro?" you don't say, "Oh, I bench 20 kilos." Because obviously you have a fucking small chest. If you bench 20 kilos, of course you're going to have a small chest. But if you say, "Yeah, I bench about 100 kilo," and you weigh like 70, then of course you're going to have a big chest. Because you've worked on your chest. You've actually focused on training chest. So why are you not focusing on increasing your bench press? I'm not saying go out there and try and bench 100 kilos. No, you're going to fucking die. You are, realistically. Build your way up to it. It's going to take you like a year, realistically. Maybe not a year. Some people don't like when they hear that. Oh, it's going to take time. That's why it's fucking valuable. Like abs. It takes ages to build abs. That's why it's fucking valuable. So don't be discouraged. Be encouraged. Oh, I've got to spend a year to train chest. Yeah. And once you have a chiseled ass chest, be proud. I've not got a chiseled chest yet. And I'm telling you how to build a chest. Because I know. I have a little bit of a chest. I have an upper chest. I can feel all the muscle. And also, I haven't trained gym in about a week. So I have excuses. But I'm not going to make excuses. My chest is nowhere near as good as it's going to be in about 6 months. Yeah, about 6 months. And I'll have a fucking sick chest. I know what I need to do now. Because I was doing everything else but bench press. So if bench press doesn't work, I'm not going to build a fucking chest. But I am going to build a chest. Because anyone can build a fucking chest. So spend time. Why are you being discouraged? It's going to take you at least 6 months to build a good chest. 6 months to a year. If you do it properly, 6 months to a year. I skipped doing normal bench press. I just did dumbbells. And all I could do was like 10 kilo on each arm. Now, I'm doing a normal bench press and I'm benching like 40 kilo. And I'm building that up. But do it slowly. Don't just jump up. Start off small. So start off and try and push yourself. What's your 1 rep max or 2 rep max? So how much weight can you do for just a single rep? Just one. up and down motion. Maybe it's 20 kilo. That's your max. Okay. Next time, come back. Do 3 reps. I don't know why I had them 2 fingers. Do 3 reps. So come back, do 3 reps, and then the next time, come back, do 5 reps. And each time build up by 2 reps. And eventually you've done like, you can do 15, 20 reps of, maybe 12 to 15 reps of 20 kilos. Then increase it. Go up to 40 or 25 kilos. Go up to 30. You want to focus on increasing your bench press. So just work your way up to your 1 rep max. So work your way up to 20, for example. So start off with 5, do 10, do 15, do 20 kilos. It's fucking easy. Just be smart. Don't be looking at all these other videos. Oh, do decline bench press. Oh, do flat bench press. You can do flat bench press. I prefer incline. Either way, it kind of works, to be honest. But there's other studies that say incline is probably better than flat if you want to build a bigger chest. It's my fucking opinion. I'm doing incline. If I figure out I have a fucking stacked upper chest and nothing here, then I'll do flat bench. But still, learn how to do a fucking bench press. Look it up. How do I do a bench press? You contract your shoulders, you gauge your lats, all this shit. Learn that, apply it, and then get a big chest, man. It's that easy. Get a big chest. Get rid of your gyno. That's the way to get rid of gyno. You get a big chest. But also, focus on variety. So what do I mean? Focus on variety. Don't just do a flat bench press every workout. Do incline bench press, like I said. Do dips, chest dips. That will really get your fucking chest going. Do flies. Do loads of fucking variety. If you don't know what to do, then you're fucked. If you don't know what other exercises you can do, you're fucked. There's loads of exercises. You can look them up. Or, even simpler, check out the first link in the description. Get the fucking course. It's at a discount at the moment. The price is quickly increasing. You're going to get it eventually. So just get it now while it's cheap. It's only $50. It's going up to like $200-$300 in a few days. So get it now. But in there, I'm going to teach you not only how to build an aesthetic physique so you don't look like a slob, so you don't look like a fat bastard and be insecure. Because I was like you. I can ridicule you because I was skinny, extremely skinny, and extremely fat. And now I'm neither. Now I'm fucking a muscly bastard. So if you want to get there, you want to get the physique, check out the course. I'll teach you literally how to build a chest, how to build your back, your fucking arms, your triceps, whatever. Your V-taper, you can kind of see my V-taper right now while I'm sitting down. So, get the fucking course. I'll teach you the diet, I'll teach you the workout, everything. It's extortionately cheap. But how much weight are you gaining? Because obviously this video is about how to fix gyno while bulking. So, I mean, if you're not bulking, just bulk anyway. Because there's no point of cutting. But if you already are bulking, that might be a problem. How much weight are you gaining? If you don't know, then you're fucking spastic. And what I'd recommend is weigh yourself every day. And after a week, how much weight have you gained? If you've gained over 1 kilo of weight, then reduce how much food you eat. So I'm not saying reduce how much food you eat. First, check how much weight you're gaining. If you're gaining over 0.5 kilo a week, you're gaining too much. And that's probably why they look like titties. So, gain less weight. So under 0.5 kilo is optimal. 0.4 of a kilo, 0.3, whatever. That works. Just gain less. And you might be like, but my bulk's not going to be as good. Yeah, because once you gain more than half a kilo, you're just putting on fat. There's no more, physically, there's not enough muscle to put on. So it's not worth it. Just fucking listen to me. Gain less weight. You'll be much happier for it. But a way I have that you can actually regulate how much weight you put on is explained in this video right here, where I explain why martial arts is optimal while bulking. So check out that video and have a good day.